Hi, dear Gemini. Very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a no contact reading for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 31st of August. Keep in mind the roles can be reversed also anytime. The action can be from your side. If it is not resonating, this is not at all your story. Okay? Don't try to fit yourself forcibly into the reading. General reading is not for everyone. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start with the mutual energy of the connection. For the connection, what we have right now, Gemini. Okay, honey. We have to do it. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Hierophant, and the World card. There is a sense of feeling left out in the cold in the situation where at one point of time you guys were preparing for marriage, commitment, long-term partnership. You guys felt a very spiritual kind of bond with each other at some point of time, and things ended. I don't think things ended abruptly, like, okay, I don't care about you, you just die. No, something happened there, like maybe a traditional belief system kind of thing was there, family issues were there, where the religion or caste was the problem, or spiritual belief, cultural belief were the problem. Things ended, and both of you are on this or are living in this energy of feeling left out in the cold by the other person here. Even if things complete, like things ended, and there was a completion of a cycle, there is still some kind of unfinished business that you guys feel in the situation, at least one of you. Yeah, it's a mutual energy, like, of the connection, so it could be any one of you. So even if the chapter is closed, it's not completely closed. There's some kind of energy of, okay, you guys have to finish the unfinished business, sorry, at some point of time in the situation, or you should. Otherwise it's going to be a lingering energy, or like of pain, of feeling left out in the cold, maybe for a very long time, who knows. Let's say I'm going to do the reading a little differently today. We'll take your feedbacks about this, and then we will continue. I mean, for all the signs. Cool. In their feelings, we have the World card again. So in their feelings, this person is feeling, even if things are done, even if this chapter is over, they still feel the unfinished business in the situation, and they're going in circles again and again and again, in circles, like they're starting from point A, and they're coming back to point A. They're not able to figure out any solution here. They're trying to be okay. They might be circling around in another people, with other people, other energies. Maybe they're traveling a lot. Maybe they are trying to distract themselves a lot with multiple people, multiple situations, multiple things in their life. But at the end of the day, they come back to the point A, from there where they started, because they feel until unless this unfinished business is going to be resolved properly, they will not be able to completely go ahead in their life. From your side, the feelings are Two of Pentacles. Gemini, you are giving me this typical Gemini energy today. Yeah, I'm feeling this, and then another day, I don't give a shit about this person. Then another day, maybe they're not that much bad. Then another day, I don't care if they are alive or dead. Hmm. In your feelings, you're going back and forth, up and down, on and off in the situation. There's a lot of conflict and chaos, and there's a lot of confusion. Now, some of you might be, there's no confusion. Then this is not for you, honey. Come on, relax. Okay? Calm down your horses before jumping into conclusions that everything I'm saying is for you. Okay, honey? Sometimes it happens. If this is not your story, not your reading, okay? So, in your feelings, either you are dealing with two people at the same time, or you are dealing with this confusion of, should I wait for this person? Should I do something about it? Or should I completely move on from the situation? There's definitely this on and off, in and out feeling of, should I not? Okay? And this is kind of weighing you down. from quite a long time now. In this person's intentions, we have the Seven of Swords. This person doesn't want to show their true feelings, their true intentions, their true desires. You can say their true colors to you. I don't know what that means. This is what I'm getting. This person still wants to hide something from you, big, big, big time, and they never want the secret to come out. Okay. It's like they might have done something and they just try to sneak away from the situation and they still want to. I don't think this person wants to be open and honest and vulnerable in front of you and be very, very loyal and honest, like, okay, this is what I did and this is how it. No, they still want to keep few things secret. Okay, and actually they're telling me I'm going to take this secret to my grave. Even if you know about it, this person doesn't want to say anything about it or explain anything about it. Wow. On your side, in your intentions, we have the King of Pentacles. You just want to have a very stable, safe and secure kind of energy with or without this person. You are very focused, you just want to be very focused on money, job, career, financial stability, and you just want to take care of people who are like family to you or your literal family members. You're like, I am the bread and butter bearer of the family, or I am the one responsible for my family, so I should take care of them, or I should focus on my life, my financial freedom, so that I can be happy in the old age. Okay, it's like you just want to. King of Pentacles, when you start reading the cards, and when you do it for a very long time, you get a lot of different meanings from one card. So if a lot of people think that I don't use the traditional meanings of the card, honey, come to like my position and do it for 9 years almost every day, then we are going to talk about it. In a traditional way, this is like just focusing on money, job, career and stability. According to my intuition and according to me, the card is telling me that you are focused on your retirement plans. You are focused on how I can make my life comfortable, and all you want is maybe a pet or somebody by your side who is going to be loyal enough, maybe not a romantic partner, who is going to be there for you when you need them. This is your intention. Let me see if there's a possibility of any action from this person's side towards you or in the situation. Six of Pentacles. There are slight chances of this person connecting with you, but that's not going to be a very balanced kind of approach. They might connect with you and they might ghost you again, and or they might try to test the water with you. If you are going to reply, if you are going to respond, they are going to talk for a bit, they are going to communicate for a bit, and then they are going to like play the game of hide and seek again, and then vanish in thin air. So there might be some chances of not bright, very bright, not very bright chances of in action. This is not the card of action. Six of Pentacles is not the card of action, but still this is a card of slight chances. Hmm. But again, they might try to test the waters with you and then again ghost you or vanish in thin air. From your side, the possibility of action is nil, death and rebirth. You're like, I am working on myself. Because of this process, because of this chapter, I have gone through so much in my life. I don't want to waste my time, energy, efforts, and resources in this situation, in this dynamic, or in these kind of dynamics at all in my life. I want to work on my new chapter, new life, new energies. I have a plan and I'm going to work on that. Got it, Gemini. You got a plan and you have to work on that. So I don't see any kind of action from your side. In fact, if this person is going to connect with you, you might keep them blocked, or you might keep them at arm's length and you're going to say, no, I'm not interested, or something like that. You might be watching this video out of curiosity only. Most of the people for no contact readings watch the readings just for fun. Most of us. I also used to do that. It's been 4 years now that I'm single. I don't watch tarot readings anymore because they don't match with me anymore. I read my cards sometimes, but most of us, when we know that things are gone, done and buried and dead, just want to know what they are going through. That's it, right? That's the case for most of us. Let me see the potential outcome of the situation by the end of this month. We have the Hanged Man. I do see the perspective shifting from both the sides. You guys will be able to understand each other's point of view up to certain extent by the end of this month, but I don't see things moving forward or something happening or divine intervention or anything in this. Things are like going to be almost the same as they are right now, but perspective is going to shift somehow. The way you are going to think about the other person is going to shift somehow. I don't know what that means. This is the outcome here. Stillness, a little bit of stagnancy, still energetically connected, but not doing anything about it. Hmm? Guidance for you, Gemini, only for you people. Ten of Wands. You know, this burdensome and heavy energy that you're carrying with yourself all the time regarding your love and relationship area, maybe this particular person or situation, you have to drop it at some point of time. Without dropping it properly, without cleansing it properly, and letting it go 100% out of your system, you will not be able to connect with anybody else also with all of your heart and soul. It's going to be a half hearted effort. It's going to be something that you are not going to enjoy. So deal with this burdensome and heavy kind of energies first. Let it go properly, wash it off properly, and then move to the next thing. Next person, next situation, next plan, retirement plan, right? Whatever the plan is. Let's see one more card from the Romance Angels Oracle card for you guys. Getting to know each other better. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. It might be with another person, another connection, another situation that you're going to connect with next. But somehow I do see that if both of you can connect with each other and talk to each other properly and get to know each other properly, whatever is going on, there's still a chance in the situation. For most of you, it's a new person, new energy that you're going to connect with down the line, maybe by the end of this month. And for others of you, there is still a chance in the situation to make things work out somehow if both of you can come on the same page and want to figure it out together. Wow, difficult. So let me know in the comment section how you like the format of this reading. And I think I am changing all the formats of all the readings slowly but surely, because I think upgrade is required. Let me know, and we will keep these readings going after every 10 days or so. Let's see, or maybe twice in a month. Let's see how it goes. So thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.